Yes, welcome to the Jamaica Young Police channel. To our loyal viewers, subscribers, and Patreon members, we appreciate your continued support. At our channel, we are a group of law-abiding citizens who firmly believe in the rule of law and respect the rights of every citizen. However, we do not extend this respect to those who disregard these principles. We strongly support preemptive strikes because they save lives, prevent the further loss, and promote safety. Now, that's a logical conclusion because preemptive strike save lives and prevent the further loss of life. Our mission is clear: to save lives and stand against criminals. We are not a platform for criminals. We do not seek your views, subscriptions, likes, thumbs up, or comments. This channel is a sanctuary for justice. We firmly believe that criminals belong in prison or the departure lodge. At Madden, we do believe that criminals must live in fear of losing their lives and not the law-abiding citizens. If you are new to the Jamaica Young Police channel, we invite you to subscribe by clicking the subscription button and selecting all on the bell. You will stay informed whenever we release a new video. This channel is not about entertainment. It's about education, inspiration, and motivation. Our aim is to instill deep-seated aversion and hatred to criminals and corrupt police officers in our viewers. And we said criminal, but we're talking the thief in police and the one who broke people's house, broke people store, and all these things, and the police them a shake down the local people them. Additionally, we have a Patreon channel where you can access exclusive videos that are not available on YouTube due to its rules and regulations. By subscribing to our Patreon, you show your support for our cause, and it's less than a cup of coffee. Thank you for being a part of our community. Now, let's move on to today's video. Yes, so we have come to the end of part 5 of this Father's Day special of this policeman, violating his daughter and niece. As we stated before, that the police hierarchy was complicit in this man's behavior, in which they should have done something about it. Not because he was a hard worker. You cannot ignore things like this. We know that as crime fighters sometimes you understand people, but these kind of behavior you cannot tolerate it. A man raping him daughter and him niece. No, the police hierarchy dropped the ball and they were complicit in it. I don't think that the niece and but at least you get some form of comfort knowing that this is out there in the public. So to other young ladies who out there and experiencing any kind of sexual abuse from family member, that say you can reach out to the Jamaica Young Police channel and and express yourself. We have no problem. The thing is that with Dadrick Henry is just that unfortunately we did not get this information before he had passed. It was after he was passed that's when we get the information. If this happened before he had passed, we can tell you that we will have no problem releasing it. So although he's gone, we did not after he had passed and we found out this information, we did not even comment or say anything else about him, because we know that the information was authentic. And we know that the niece have no reason to lie on her uncle, none, and especially when it comes down to his daughter too. So this is part 5 of 5. So you watch, you listen, and you decide.
Instead of him carrying me back to my mother, him carry me to his mother to live with her. Mm-hmm. So after one night now, my father, sister, left on road. I don't know what really happened. And my uncle named Danny, that are the one who dead, was doing some form of patrolling, and he met her. And talking, my uncle Danny found out that the woman that him I talked to was actually my aunt. And I saw my uncle asked Danny asked my auntie where I was, and my auntie tell them exactly where my father mother was, where I was. And my mother, she coming from me when she came from the Tuesday night.
You break up, Marsha.
Yeah, you hear me now?
Yeah, I hear you now, yes.
So my auntie told my father, told my uncle were dead one day, tell him exactly where I was. And instead of my mother just come and get me from my father, she came there the night with police. And my father, right, she didn't come by herself, and then if my father resist and I give me death. So when she come, my God, it's gone down one place with my father, godmother. So them come and get me. When I come, I take off my clothes. My grandmother said to me, don't take off your clothes and wait. And then a couple hours after, we see a bright light coming. And the light come. My grandma said, oh, they're not coming. But I didn't know what it was. I was about 6, 7 years old. And my grandmother go out into them because she just come from Cayman too. She just come from Florida. And my grandmother go out into them and they were talking. And I hear when one of the police said, go and get the child. And then come in and get me. And when I go out there, they said to me, do you know this lady? And I said, no. They said, do you know this man? I said, yeah, it's my dad. And then tell me to go in at the Jeep and then carry me away. And from that day, I've never seen my father again until I was 19 years old.
So your mother destroy your life, man?
Right.
Because if she had let you stay with your father, that you couldn't get for violated.
Exactly. But still, I sort of blame my dad.
No.
But he didn't have nothing to do with me until I was of an age where we could sit and talk. Because I want nothing to do with my mother no more because she never had to carry the police for him. She could have come and if he did resist not to give me up.
No,
go and get
the reason why she do that is because you are the one who take care of everybody in your mother family. All of are your father mind them, are you mind, are you the money where she get from your father. That's why she do that. Because your father is an income and use that income for her. So that's why she come for you. She don't come for you because she love you. You understand?
And when she come for me now, me they all over but all over because she to take care of us. So she just left up on my grandmother, which is every mother. And we go to school, we come home, we get a little food, we go to bed. There was no mother there. My mother lived in Jamaica, and we see my mother like maybe 2 times for the year, if so much.
And you just she cause all of them things to happen to you, man.
So then now, after my grandfather died, because at the time I was living in Bath. So after I passed the exam now and go a town, go spend holiday with him, and I say, oh, good life there, so man. So I asked the wife if I could have stay, and so she take me in, which is his wife. And that's all. And I never met my father till I was 21 or 20, somewhere there, and he filed for me. I met him the Tuesday. He came back from America the Tuesday night, and he filed for the Wednesday morning. And it took 5 years, and then I come here. So I sort of blame Daddy, and I sort of had that umbrella over him. So he could have put out, just as I went back to Bath, when he came back so many years after to find me, he could have put out some effort more when I was much younger to try to find me instead of wait for so many years. But him saying just never want nothing to do with
I am mother, man, because she didn't have to. You were there, you were quite fine on them things. No reason for her to do that, you know?
No, because nobody wasn't abusing me, nobody wasn't molesting, nobody wasn't doing nothing to me. And then my father, when I met my father and I told him about it, he wanted to pursue it. But because it did happen so long and nothing never happened to him, he never know which end and which angle to turn. He never know which angle to take it from.
Well, just give God thanks, you understand?
Mm-hmm.
You know, that's the most important thing. You know, life goes on, you understand? But you know, when you know, I know that the trauma is still there because some things, you know, whether or not you want to believe it, you know, some things, you just can't. You know, it's hard to get out of, you know, out of somebody's subconsciously when it's inside of them and them thing. It's hard to get out of your brain.
You know, what would I really did like if we did met you before? You could have asked him why you did it.
Boy, may I tell you, you understand? I would have asked him. I am that kind of person, you know.
We would really, when you see it today, I'm going to say, why couldn't they get that number for you ask him why? Why?
Because, but if you are typing in a YouTube and them thing, that you just see there's so many.
I mean, on social media, somebody I would call before the video start to see the number, and I write off the number, and I listen to something and I say, when get them a story from? I must not telling them a liar.
Well, you know, just give God thanks, you know. Alright then, Marsha, so all the best to you here.
Yeah, man. Okay, then
And,
have a good
I hope
night.
you feel much better. And look here, between me and you need to get some counseling still, you know, because the more you talk about it, the better it is for you, you know. It helps you, you understand what I'm saying? And don't blame yourself for what happened. It's not your fault. He was just a dirty man and them thing then. You understand? Although you forgive, boy, you know, it's hard, you know. People are telling us, boy, hey, when somebody violate your body and them thing there, that you know. You know, cause I remember say your body's secret, you know. You understand what I'm saying? And you know, when somebody enter the intimate zone, cause I don't know if you know the different layers of the human body. You have different zone. You have zone for the, you know, for the public, and zone for private and all of them things there. And the intimate zone, that are the zone reserved for people who are intimate with you and them thing there. You understand? Where you allow yourself and you know, although you can't say a person's soul, but that are the part where you really open up yourself. And when somebody enter that zone without your permission, that, you know, you understand what I'm saying? That is very traumatic. But you know, just as we say, you know, try get some help on them thing there still. Don't just let it stay there. Try get some help from you know, just talk to a counselor or somebody, you understand what I'm saying? And the more you talk about it, the better you're gonna feel. But who am I to tell you what's well? You understand what I'm saying? You know, you are the one that have been living with this trauma for years, you know, and not cure nobody do anything, you know. At times, especially when you're by yourself, you know, things are gonna still click up in your head, because women sometimes behave like a projector, you know. You ever see a projector with a reel with a movie? Yeah, and sometimes the reel are going and knock you how you try, you know, you can't stop it, you know that? Yeah. So that's why, you know, you listen music and them things and it helps. Because to me, one of the most healing music any person, that's how you understand, you know, you feel down or anything like that. One of the best artists to listen to, and it put you in a different realm, Bob Marley.
Yeah, I know. My best, I think it is Kenny Rogers or even Dolly Partner.
No, but for them song, I love music and them thing, and them music will make you more sad. It not really. Yeah.
I'm like Nesbitt too. I love Nesbitt song them.
Yeah.
Look at me now, what them treat me less. Yeah.
Yeah. When I listen to love music and you sad, whether or not you want to believe in it, you know, make you happy, you know, make you more sad. Although I love music, you know, but if you only listen to Bob Marley and them thing there, and you listen to the words of Bob Marley, it gives you that vibes will make you feel like make you feel alive. You understand? Yeah, so it take you out of that slumber. That's why Bob Marley music is inspirational. That's why, if you notice, no other artist's music can't live as long as his. And Bob Marley music, right now, billions of people in my inspiring our world. Because it's music. And look how many years him dead.
Yeah, because him come out with a movie. It come out the 4th year.
The biopic, yes. The biopic. And you understand? So, as I said, you can't try that. Yeah, man, listen. I want to tell you, say, even this brother when him Luciana, I have a new Rasta youth when him.
Yeah, I met him there in Miami.
Luciana. You live at Dade County?
No, I live in New York.
Oh, okay.
But we were going to Jamaica when I got the brother funeral.
Oh, you have to transit. Oh, yeah. Okay, you have to take a connecting flight. It's more expensive to fly just from New York, no?
Yeah. It was like $900 for the tickets.
Why them the place expensive body, no, man? But all the best to you, Marsha, and you understand. And
yeah, man.
Sometimes them say nothing. It never late for a shower or rain. I have no reason for disbelieve you. What you say about Dadrick Henry, about your uncle saying he molest you. You understand? And the man are real. And honestly, I want to tell you still though, between me and you. Him say it, him say of all of the people that him talk to, him say boy, him say, me know him say sarcastically, him say boy, say boy, you're the only man where you that kind of, you hear me say, you that kind of want for, me say me boy this year, me say me not this year, me just tell you the truth. You understand? I must say, yeah, but some if I some people when I say that as a diss and them thing there. Me say no man, and this me, I tell you the truth. Me say, only people will love you will tell you the truth. Me say most of the people them have and your friend, you understand? Me say me I never work and me I was no friend and them thing there, you understand? And the only at two, as me tell you about the police and the boy when kill the acting corporal from St. Mary, when him kill. And then I want to tell you say at one time when me in police force before me left. Same police when him one of the and them thing there and one of them cowboy. I want to tell you, I saw him one day. Because me and Dadrick, me just see him. Him know me and me know him because through a street detective and them thing there, you understand? And him see me on car wash and him call me and I say, boy, just be keep him me and him never talk. You understand? We just see a heel and him see me. And that's one of the reason why I did really, go out there for him and them thing. And him see me and I tell me, say, boy, just be careful, because I know everybody you think are your friend, That's all him say. And me say, what you mean? And I say, boy, just watch them people doing what you work and them thing, because them a plan for you, And I say, me know that, you understand? So that's one of the reason why I say, boy, because him and them are friend enough. Me say, for a man where him don't know me, him won't go see me and them thing, and him come and say that to me. That's one of the main reason why I really go out for him. You understand? If I never meet him lose him house, man. If you look on the channel, you see so many times and all them things and thousands and I tell you, see. Him get at least, him get him get maybe close to over 50 grand US, from the thing. You understand?
Wow.
Yeah, man. I never ask him for $1 because I know the things to profit and them thing. You understand? I'm gonna do YouTube for make money and them thing because you see in the military, I retire. You understand?
Okay.
I'm still work for the federal government and them thing there. So I don't do it for profit. I just do it for change people life. Because I just want Jamaica. We just want it back at where we used to enjoy Jamaica. You understand? But Marsha, don't just make it stay there and them thing there, because although him dead and gone and them thing there. And although you find comfort if you know that it never happened to you again, but one time is too much. You understand? And as a father, as an uncle, cousin, brother, boy, I can't imagine if that happened to anyone for me and them thing, what I would do. You understand? Because trust me, that's a one thing where you can't forgive no one for violate you. You understand? Especially, man. And suppose me tell you something. And alright, suppose I had a friend, when I was growing up, my best friend, and say him have a sister. Say I knew when I was growing up, I knew that the grandfather used to molest him granddaughter them. grandfather, you know, and the grandmother know, you know, and she send them, you know, because of money. Him man live a Harborview and them thing. Now when his daughter died, that her mother, the father couldn't go funeral and the man is trouble in daughter, you know.
Wow.
Yeah, man. You know them eye color people.
Yeah, cause if he go Queen Ivory kind of, she come out.
Yeah, and talk about her father.
Said, yeah.
And I believe her. I have no reason not to believe her, you know. And that's why she kind of behave cuckoo, because them things that affect you, you know. It licks something inside her, you know, because these are people who are supposed to be protecting you. You understand?
Protective, yeah.
You see. And the worst thing is that, you know, the man was her father, but him pretty much in a hide around them thing because he married. You know. Ah, boy. Well, you have daughter, Marsha?
Yes, and I'm very
protective of her. How old is your daughter?
13.
You have to talk to her and them thing there, you know. Yeah, you know, so pitting them all, you feel like them no more and the parents, you know. You understand? Because you don't make sure you don't go to sleep over and all them madness with them.
No, baby.
Okay.
Not even.
Yeah, man.
Anywhere me I go, the only place you go without me at school, and I drop her a man time. Yeah,
because you know, so that's one I mean where all them molest children in America. Yeah. The sleepover thing with the brother and the father them.
I know.
Yeah, man. Them things not in my house. Nobody not come to my yard come sleep.
Oh, I said, Mom, why you like that? I said, "Now worry yourself."
You man, protect your man. When you get older, you find out. When you go to college, you realize now, say all of the people when you in a college with them, the whole of them are there so they get molestation. You understand? Alright, all the best, Marsha. Happy New Year, and hey, look here.
Thank you.
Yeah, he was a dirty man and them thing there, and it's just unfortunate that I did not know this before. If I had known it, I mean, I like people like them, man. Trust me. You understand? And for a man like him, where him, you know, boy, I tell you, you know.
Yeah.
Him did sick, man. Him did really sick. Me not like man to beat a man, you know, man. No, sir. Me not believe in that. And if you and somebody can agree, on a go on.
Yeah.
But no. If you and somebody can agree, on a go on. You understand?
He's that type of person, man. He's a woman beater.
Because he want to control, you know. And people have low self-esteem behave that way.
Them for right. Murderer, rapist, liar, woman abuser, beat up people. Those are the list. My sister that joke about all that. That them for right in a day.
Hey, but I tell a lie still though, you know. Hey, I forget all mad on him one at a time, you know, on the phone, you know. Cause when him try to justify about the thing them do for the police, I say, look here, man, you're a big man, you know, man. I say, stop the damn foolishness. You understand? Because him, look here, you know, him did want me to do it and them thing. Him want me to tell the world, you know, say, him go take out, I say, you idiot. Who are going to help if you go pay back loan until you go take out money? You use money if you go about, you try help bill, buy pig and all them things and bill and all. You know, say bill a room for all the woman, bill a house for the woman family property door, you know.
Of course, I know.
Him an idiot, you know, man. And let me tell you, man.
Bill a barbershop game.
Him an idiot, man. And I talk about, me say, look here, me say you spending the money, you think say that means to say she owe you anything. Me say that is not an investment, my friend. A money where you feel say you can spend, you feel say by spending it, you feel say you got owner. And he must say, because she left him for one ex-policeman. Me say, because the policeman is stallion.
And that's what they arrest him for, because he told the policeman that he was going to kill him. That's what they... And
that's why I'm losing gun on them thing now. You understand? And our police were him, and guess what?
When he go back to court, you know, after me they bail him and he go back, they remand him back in court, then they lock him up back, you know. Yeah, man, after me bail him and come up back, and he appear next appearance at court, they lock him up back. They lock him up at 100, man.
Because that same threatening girl.
Yeah.
And I you know, so when I'm friend, one police, my name is Reka Constantine, one name, near Ray the Pinnock, you know. Colin Pinnock, you know, say Colin Pinnock dead with all the woman. Take away him gun and start there with all the woman too.
Wow.
The dirty man them, man. Dirty man them. Police, some of them. You understand? Most of them are dirty people and them thing, may I tell you. You have a virgin, you know. Well, well, we're not a virgin no more and them thing. Our brother who used to work at our Huntsby, and him have a girl, you know, a baby mother. And she up Connecticut, the two and them thing. And him, we used to that Huntsby, me and him are tight still, but him and all the police, him and them tight. Just when he migrate and left female man down there, all of them are look at her, you know. And between me can't play the woman, you know. The woman, him, you know. The same policeman, you know, him say to this day, you know, him feel say me and her there. And me yet still, you know, she telling me, you know, say, of all of your friends, them, him I only one who never look me. She look good still, you know. But you see, I'm the kind of person who grew up with certain principle. You understand? My mother instilled that in me. My friend, if me and a man are friend and them thing, the female woman is like my sister, so me treat them. Me not cross them boundary there and them thing. So that's why me's kind of rare policeman. Me rare different. Wow. Yeah, you have a policeman and me and him was friend. Man, I'll come on my yard a foreign, you know. And the man have a girlfriend. And the girlfriend him there with, you know. And me and him there when he meet her, you know. And she tell me upon the phone, you know. So the only reason why she talk to him, you know, because of me she like, you know. And she tell me upon the phone some things, you know. And me tell the man, I make the man listening, you know, when the man hear, the woman I say, you know, say, boy, when she and him, you know, that intimate time, is because she think about me. And he might hear all of them things there, you know. I'm live to see a man after, yeah man, him stop dealing with her and them thing. The girl she live in Canada. And me live to see all that the man I say, boy, me for dead. And man come out of my yard, come stay at West Palm Beach, you know. That they see him police and them things. So that's why I'm not keep friend, you know. You understand? But me have certain things about me and them things where me, every day me thank God for my mother, where instill it in me and it's still there today, this day. You understand? You know. Why I don't know some man do it though? If me know a man, alright, it's like I'll even the other day and them thing. You have a girl, she there England, she named Jacqueline Black. Pretty girl, you know, she come from Payne Avenue. Every police always around her down, but she did it with a policeman, and then the policeman there was, you know, she find out him a batman and she and him left and all kind of thing. Then she did with a boy and gunman kill the boy and boy she take a piece of set for me. Look good, you know. She live in England. And everybody I said, boy, I say, no, sir. Me could not do that and them thing. If me, I just saw me stay. You understand? Mm-hmm. You know, man, you have to respect yourself, man. If you don't respect yourself, others not going to respect you, you know?
No,
you understand? The most important thing that, but boy, it just sad that all of them things come out after him dead. It's, you know, it's, you know, if I had known this before, you know, but I ask him about it, man, because I want to with me and them thing there, you know. I'm not afraid when they come on for ask people. Yeah, man, there's no, you know, some, you know, like some people that afraid of something. I'm not afraid of nobody, you know.
Yeah.
No, for my mother instilled that in me and them thing from me small. You understand? Because fear, my mother tell me all the while, so fear is imaginary. Anything where a man can do, you can do it same thing too. Mm-hmm. So that you know, she embedding that. So you know, say you have gunman out there with police free there, you know. Me never say a gunman out there with me free there yet. Cause my mother, yeah man, me never, you know. So I just saw it go on them thing there. But all the best, Marsha, and
yeah,
you know. I know hopefully you'll feel much better on them thing if you know say boy. Yes. You know because you know most people on them thing there, you know. Them don't want to say boy I chew him dead now on them thing there and me not no reason for disbelieve you. Your story. Are you say you understand what I'm saying? And man, and then the man go molest him own daughter. 10 years there and all the man enough to do me tell the man say full out the I-130 for two girl them on them thing there. And he must say him now the money. And I said, Dadrick, I saw me stay so I make him man get the 2,000 line. And I said, alright, Dadrick. So I talk to some people I know and all them thing there. Well, same place.
I'm interested in that, man. That the 2,000 before I get it, it reach out Jamaica to the young girl when there. The man put the little girl when there before him picked them.
A cruff, man. Me, boy, I don't know, and I don't know them do it still though, you know. I've Pitney and no, sir. Boy, I want to be glad still though. All of them things where my mother teach me to one them thing there, you know, I've Pitney all over and them thing there, yeah, take bus, you know, them time the police that in, you know, back in the 80s and them thing there, you know, so if your police won't carry, you have to involve in a certain things, you know. You understand? She always I say, boy, nobody go be like some police, you know, when you get paid, you have to take bus, go this and I get Pitney, you know, bother with that in a boss. You understand? Don't live with no woman Yeah, man, don't live with no woman, because if you live with that woman, you're not going to own nothing. Don't invest all of them things that my mother impart to me, and me follow it. Everything what my mother tell me, and me do it. Me say other police do what she tell me not to do, and I see him thing what she say that man. Me say all policeman, we're officer now in a police force. Borrow money, live with woman and them thing, they she have kid female and them thing, they then married. And him borrow how much $1,000,000 and them thing, and woman add on room per house and them a plan
I
part.
hear that, man. I hear that.
I fool them, man. Me.
I hear that, man. I hear that, man.
And then the woman
I
put
can't
him out.
close that, man.
Nah, man. Them thing they couldn't happen to me and them thing there.
I hear that, man. I can't close that.
No, sir. Me never live with no woman that and them thing there. When me say me never do that and them thing there. You understand? No, sir. Me no, anytime me go away and them sleep and them thing there, me left with my clothes. Me not left no shirt or cup, but oh boy, no, sir. My mother teach me them thing there and that embedded in me, man. You understand? So everything have to do with socialization and how your parent, treat you. So I just saw it go. But life goes on, Marsha, and all the best to you, and just continue. Just make him be a figment of imagination. And your mother, she need to apologize when she said about she and my family and them thing there. She need to put out there and them thing there. You understand? And you know, see, you need to tell her peace of your mind and make sure know so she's not your mother. She's your enemy.
I tell her that long time.
Yeah, man, she's no mother, man. She was just like a surrogate, because if she had mother and them thing there, she wouldn't have born a family shame. Shame what? What my mother always saying, look here, you see anytime things happen, you, the person, like you as a victim, you're not supposed to feel guilty about what happened. It's the person that did you. You understand? So if she wants to feel shame about her family, have them do it, him do it to you. You understand? And she's supposed to take side with you, not against you. You understand? All right, Marsha, you take care of yourself here.
You too. Have a good night.
All the best. All right, bye.
Yeah.
Yeah, so we have come to the end of today's Father's Day special, and we didn't edit anything. Also, we did not edit anything, because we had received this information. It was after he died, after that Kennedy passed away. We have no reason to disbelieve this woman. She said that she have reached out to True Island Story, who is also a policeman, and he knew that I knew Dr. Kennedy, and she says that she reached out to him, but unfortunately he did not didn't respond to her or anything like that. And for some reason she was able to find the Jamaica Young Police channel, and she reached out to us, and we told her that we'll give it some justice. Although it's passed away and gone, that doesn't it still happened, and this is a way to a form of healing for her, because that members of her family, that Jamaica, I don't know why Jamaican people love to support people who commit crimes, even in their families. Yes, and what Dr. Kennedy have done, he should have been arrested and charged for what he did to his niece and his daughter. That is despicable. When you're supposed to be a protector, you are a person who's abusing them. So it's just sad. I hope you enjoy listening to this young lady, and to others, young ladies, just hope that they will learn from this and do not keep secrets when it comes down to men in their family. So have yourself a beautiful day. Jamaica Young Police Channel out.